Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Logic Pro on your Mac and Logic Remote on your iPad or iPhone. Once connected to the same Wi-Fi network or linked via USB, open Logic and go to Control Surfaces Setup to enable the remote. Make sure both devices show up. If not, restart the app on the iPad. This step creates the control handshake so you can move from setup into mapping controls and using touch instruments without delay. Once done, select your iPad in Logic's Control Surfaces list and choose whether it follows track focus or stays static. Make sure to map transport controls, mixer faders, smart controls, and any virtual instrument panels you'll use. This lets you control levels and parameters by touch. If you need custom mappings, use MIDI Learn or Bluetooth MIDI to assign knobs and pads. Make frequent tests. Play a region and tweak a parameter so you confirm them. To finish, save your control surface layout as a template so your mappings persist across projects. Make sure latency is minimal by using USB or a stable 5 GHz network and close bandwidth heavy apps. If things go wrong and the remote disconnects, first quit and relaunch the remote app in Logic. Then check Mac firewall settings and try a direct USB connection. If that still fails, restart both devices. This sequence resolves most handshake and network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.